So now I know. I want to make a video now. From Bangaw. Disturbo ko dere, oh. May hapa ko nakigtabi. Okay, I'm disturbing you.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Terima kasih. So, ano na, part-time, part-time receptionist. Yeah. I've been disturbing here. Can you take over? Promote Bangaw.
Promote Bangaw?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone. Okay. If you wanna come to Malaysia here, you want a short time like for transit, you can come to Bangaw Hotel. We are Bangaw Hotel.
Say hi also, brother. You're from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Indonesia.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Can they hear us there?
Huh?
Can they hear us?
Yes.
Oh my God, you didn't tell me.
It's okay.
You're the receptionist, they'll get mad at you, not at me. Sorry.
Hi everyone.
Okay, continue your promotion.
I never make video. I don't know how to make video.
It's okay. I don't know also, but I just...
You see my YouTube, I don't have any video.
You were doing it right earlier.
Hello, Sawadika.
I cannot make video.
It's okay, this is your friend.
I also don't make videos. I'm just disturbing her.
But this is very nice.
Yeah, somehow. But I don't use...
I see a lot of people buy this for YouTube channel.
Because it's small.
Yeah, and then the video recording is so nice.
Wide also, yeah. So, I will have to say goodbye to Bangaw. Charot. Here's my bagahe. Dagi ka na pa yung airport, day. Nga mabalik na po kong airport kaya na. Adi dito ang bus. Okay. We'll just go out.
Just say if you want a budget hotel, Bangaw Hotel is a good choice.
Yeah, short term. With the, garden niya. Garden ni Rocky. Kalingawan daw niya.
Hello, Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Nandito tayo.
How do they say hi in Bahasa? Apakabar. Yeah. Apakabar. Good. I'm good. What's the response?
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
You know, if Malaysia is with Indonesia, it's same because of this. If Indonesia say bye,
Bye.
Just
bye. Bye. Yeah.
bye. But Malaysia
With K or no? Bye. Yeah.
Malaysia
I think
is bye.
you like Malaysian more. To say bye.
Sige.
Terima kasih.
Little bit.
Ay, what happened here?
Is that?
Why?
This is, you know this
Bitter melon?
this one you see?
Yeah, bitter melon.
No.
Ampalaya.
Very
Bitter.
pahit
Pait. You say
pahit.
pahit.
Very pahit one. But he died because I find this in the inside there.
What's that area?
That is a new place for parking car.
That is that tree is
Oil.
palm or that one? It's not coconut, yeah?
That is oil.
Oil.
Kelapa sawit the name.
Yeah,
It's small and then the people making oil with that thing.
Palm oil.
Yes.
I think I need to go to the airport now.
Okay.
I need to go back. You want to come? You should
How?
join me to Malacca.
How I go? I don't have my off day.
Are you not, how many days you work?
30 days.
Really?
Full.
And then how many days off?
Like that. If I wanna get my full salary, I was working full
30
month.
days.
The month.
How many hours per day?
I love hour.
2 hours. What time you came?
7 to 7.
So you're the one who replied on my WhatsApp
Yeah, sure.
that I said to, I will extend.
Understand?
I said I will, I sent message earlier that I will, this one, I'll extend my stay.
Ah.
You're the one or no?
That is, I replay you.
Yeah, this one.
That is my time already.
Yeah. And the guy from last night, from where? Why? Okay, I will have chismis. Gana ba marites diri of sa. Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Inshallah. Inshallah. This is our car, yeah? Other one? Balik Airport. So kagabi pa ko ni abot day. Mga kadlawon, mga alauna. Nya ni balik og airport kay dire man gud gihapon day ko mosakay og bus paadtog Malacca. Dili pa ko sa Kuala Lumpur ha mga adto. Other city pa. So balik ko dire at the same time mamalit kog SIM card day. Palit kog SIM card kay lost baya ko kaayo so kinahanglan og internet. Okay na ko dyan. Nakapalit na kong SIM. 55 Malaysian ringgit. Unlimited, double speed for 1 month. Hotlink. Balik na ko kay 245 na. So 245 na. 350 na kung bus adtog Malacca. 7.7 currency Philippine peso. Kapoy ko dyan. Kapoy ko. Pero at least kompleto tulog. Kaya kung 6 hours stay sa capsule, extend pa dyan kong 3 hours. O diba, kompletos recados ang tulog. Yan, nakigtapi pa ko rito dogay. On the way to Malacca. From Terminal 1, Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Comfortable siya guys ang bus. Tapos nadala ka na akong bag. ₱35 Malaysian ringgit. So 2 hours ang travel time. one?